a lovely session of raw banana fry. Hi, hello, vanakkam. Welcome to Dosa Pizza. I am Kancana Jaykumar. This is a nice raw bananas which are fried. They are going to be very soft and at the same time so crispy also. Definitely do try this raw banana fry. First, let's know about the raw bananas. The raw bananas are very good for health and their skin is very rich in potassium. So, it's always good to cook the raw bananas with the skin. Now, let's slice it or cut it into these sizes and then put them into the cooker vessel and cook it for just 1 or 2 whistles, depend upon the cooker you have. And if you're not going to use the cooker, you can just put it into the regular vessel. It will take at least 15 to 20 minutes for them to become soft and cooked. So, now I have the cut raw bananas. I am going to put them into the cooker and I am going to cook it. Just put very little amount of water to cook this because we need to use that water. If you're going to just leave them out, then there is no use. So, that's why we have to put very little water. Let's put some salt to this. While our bananas are getting cooked, let's do the masala or the gravy for this. Here I am having the coriander powder, the chili powder, turmeric powder, hing. Remember, we have put some salt to the bananas. So, see, adjust the quantity and add very little salt to the masala. To top it with a nice flavor, we are going to add some green chili, 1 green chili and a small piece of ginger to this. This will help in digestion and also it's giving a nice flavor. So, we are going to add this. Plus, we are going to add some fennel seeds and curry leaves to this. These are also going to add the flavor, and fennel seeds are going to help in the digestive process. So, like some of them have flatulence after eating raw bananas. So, just to avoid that, we are using some fennel seeds and hing with this. So, let's grind this into a coarse paste. So, we have ground it to a coarse texture. Our raw bananas are cooked and ready in the cooker vessel. See, have a look at the texture. They are really soft and nice. So, you should adjust this according to the kind of cooker you have, like 1 whistle or 2 whistles, you will know the texture, you will get this soft texture. Now, to make the masala, we need to add some water to this and then make it into a paste. So, for making it into paste, we are going to use just this water which has been cooked the bananas. So, here our masala paste is ready. Now, let's dip the raw bananas in this and fry it in a dosa pan or any fry pan you have. So, see here, I have coated the raw bananas nicely with the masala what we prepared. Now, we are going to place them in the tawa. Now, just add some oil and place all the pieces. Now, we have placed them evenly. So, let's wait for at least 5 minutes in medium flame. If they are going to be in high, they get burnt. So, let's wait for 5 minutes and then turn them to the other side. Now, just I am turning it. So, here we have the raw bananas fried really crispy and soft. See, can you see on the top we have a golden color, golden brown color, and the center part is going to be really soft and nice. So, the raw banana fry is ready to be served. So, we have this raw bananas which are crispy at the same time very soft. So, it's a wonderful delicacy. Do try this and keep us posted. Dosa Pizza is all about enhancing your taste buds. If you like this video, press like, subscribe to Dosa Pizza, and for your printable recipes visit dosapizza.com. Thank you and bye-bye.